In a world where every click is tracked, where signing up often means giving away your data, one platform offers a different path. Introducing MegaDisk, the privacy-first cloud solution from OFFiDocs. With MegaDisk, you can store, edit, and share your files, all from your browser, without creating an account, without cookies, and without being tracked. That's right, no logins, no installations, no surveillance. But it's not just storage. MegaDisk is a complete online workspace. Open your documents in the Word Online Editor, manage spreadsheets with Calc, edit images in GIMP, clean up your audio in Audacity, or create videos with OpenShot, all securely, and all without installing a thing. Need to test an app or experiment in Linux? MegaDisk also gives you access to Android emulators and full Ubuntu and Fedora desktops, right in the browser. Whether you're a creative, a student, a developer, or a remote worker, you can now collaborate, edit, and innovate with total freedom and privacy. No signups. No ads. Just pure productivity, with tools that respect you. Experience a different kind of cloud. Try MegaDisk at offidocs.com. Explore more tools and products on GozArch. Find the link in the description.